this one, it's not done. Here, take this stick. 1 second.
You can keep it, Paige.
I'm good. I'm gonna go hang out with this little chick.
Okay.
It's really nice and cuddly. I love it.
Look, Harry, they're trying to eat my shoe. Oh, they're on my camera. Look. Oh, goodness. Goodness.
You guys could pick up this if it's
Stop taking videos and pictures, Mom.
You want one too, Patrick? All right, hold on. Let me get. There's bound to be.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, yeah. It's okay. Here, hold this end.
Yeah.
He landed on you. Look at it. You want to hold it? They're nice.
Can we keep on going back and forth?
Flip it over, Harry. You still have some food left on the other side, maybe? Or not?
We gotta go